For indoor and outdoor use, disc lock is best used as a storage lock and for garages, sheds, and trailers. Lock features stainless steel construction and hardened steel shackle for increased strength and security. 4-pin cylinder and dual locking lever mechanism provides pick and pry resistance. Shrouded design minimizes shackle exposure and protects against bolt cutter attacks. 2-3/4 in wide lock body. 3/8 in diameter shackle with 5/8 in length, 3/4 in width. 1 padlock, 2 keys. The Master Lock 40 DPF stainless steel discus padlock features a 1 to 9/16 inch, 70 mm, wide stainless steel body for maximum strength, reliability and corrosion resistance. The fully shrouded design minimizes shackle exposure and protects against bolt cutter attacks. The 3/8 inch, 10 mm, diameter shackle is 5/8 inch, 16 mm, long and made of hardened steel, offering extra resistance to cutting and sawing. The 4-pin cylinder prevents picking and the dual locking levers provide resistance against prying and hammering. Top reviews from the United States. Great lock. I bought this lock for our outdoor storage unit. So far I have had no issues with it in the few months I've had it. It seems sturdy and I love how it is circular, so it's harder for someone to use bolt cutters on it.